Okay. Molly, are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Where's the sound?
Oh, shit!
This is dangerous.
Whoa, why is it so high?
Kids, don't try this at home, especially not in the Yakima.
Yeah, it's the dirtiest river in Washington. This is freaking disgusting. I'm grossed out.
Yuck, look at that water. Look at the water. It's like green and yucky. Who knows how much pee is in there?
And I do not approve of this water.
Wait, say that again. Say that again, Kirsten.
My name is Christian Recker, and I do not approve of this water.
I do not approve of this message at all. What? What? What?
You see that nasty? I forgot to put on bug spray. Do you know how many freaking mosquitoes are probably here?
You can't even see the bottom.
Those are probably freaking mosquito eggs.
Oh gosh.
And look, beer can
Where?
right there in the grass.
Here's an alert. Oh, there it is. Yeah. This is like trashy place. Oh, this has become an R-rated movie / PG-13. Megan, where are you?
Getting ready to go and meet.
This is a freaking heckin' weird idea.
Redneck hick kind of stuff right here.
You know you're a hick when you climb down a dirt path to your death.
And onto a tree like a spider monkey. And swing from a rope that's been up there for how long? And it's probably rotted and has germs all over it. And then swing into the freaking Yakima.
Like that.
If you fall in the water.